What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor. Hit that like button, press that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in when all the videos are being released in real time. Today, we have a potent video for you. We will be talking about one of the most explosive cryptocurrency altcoins of this cycle. But before we get into the coin of the day, like we always do, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is still on the upward trajectory. Right now, Bitcoin is $98,300. The Bitcoin dominance is continuing to decline like we want to see. It's 55.5%. The Fear and Greed Index is at 60. So we still got a lot more room to run the Fear and Greed Index back up to extreme greed, which is the next time that we will be paying attention and possibly taking profits the next time that we see the Fear and Greed Index hit extreme greed. Ethereum waking up, doing its thing, $3,655. Ethereum dominance 12.57%. So let's go ahead and talk about the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than AIOZ Network. That's right, I said it. AIOZ Network is one of the most popular, potent, up-and-coming new cryptocurrency coins of this cycle. Currently, right now, this is the number 94th cryptocurrency coin in the world. The price right now is $1.05. Excellent price levels, especially compared to the price entry level that we got in at. Currently, right now, the market cap is $1.2 billion market cap. So it's not a small cap and it's not a super large cap coin. Right there in the middle at the bottom of the top 100, sitting at number 94. Now we know this is one of our legacy coins for us. This is the coin that I say, if this thing gets to 10 cents, I'm going to get that legend tattoo right here, because that'll mean that I've done 1,000x in AIOZ Network. We've been in this coin since 2023, since it got to 1 penny. You can scroll down, run the videos. You can see when we call this play at 1 penny, knocked it out the park, already over 100x. Earlier this year, this coin did it March 2024. We know we saw last year, we saw the baby altcoin season in January 2024. This coin was only at 10 cents. Then the baby altcoin season kicked in and March came around. This coin had did an amazing 10x and got to $1.03. That's when it started to get on folks' radars. Folks started to pay attention to AIOZ Network. Folks started to inbox me, email me, asking me, what do I know about it? How did I know to call it so early? But we did see the top in April 2021. This is when this coin first came out. So this coin was already around during the last bull market. It came out in April 2021, right in the middle of the bull market. So it got up there, $2.60 instantly. Then from there, you'll see an instant decline as the bear market kicked in their entire cycles. So this coin had got back down to 1 penny in 2023, which was a couple of years after its initial inception. So now we understand this particular cycle, artificial intelligence is one of the sectors that folks are paying real close attention to, not only in cryptocurrency, but in the entire world market space. Artificial intelligence is moving the needle, it's moving the finance needle. You see NVIDIA and NVIDIA have exploded over the past couple of years. NVIDIA was one of the most profitable stocks in 2024. You can check that out. You see the gains from that. We see what Tesla did. Tesla is also in the artificial intelligence sector. So artificial intelligence, we've been talking about that in cryptocurrency. A lot of the AI coins will start to explode in 2025. I'm thinking AIOZ Network will probably be leading the forefront when it comes to AIOZ Network, come to artificial intelligence. We've already saw this coin go from a penny all the way to $1 in March 2024. That's why I say you want to pay attention to the characteristics of your coin. We saw that, and once that thing hit $1, we said, you know what? I think this thing have the potential to easily go to $10, and that was back in March 2024. So we almost a year from that particular point, and we're back at $1.05 testing the $5 marks, getting ready to break past this level. Once we get to $2.60 and get to testing the all-time highs from 2021, man, you know this coin is going to fly. It is going to be in discovery zone. $10 is definitely reasonable for a coin like AIOZ Network. Artificial intelligence sector will be booming. Nvidia is going to be flowing. We got the pro cryptocurrency administration coming in. There's just a lot of things that will be boosting the price of AIOZ Network. Now, AIOZ Network is a Web3 cryptocurrency coin. This is a streaming platform coin. This you can take a look at Netflix. Netflix is also a streaming platform coin. Peacock, all these other new streaming platforms. YouTube is a streaming platform. So this is in the video on demand sector. So we know what the entire world is coming to. The entire world is coming to streaming. Streaming platforms are very prevalent right now. As you can see, the NFL used to be on ABC, used to be on Fox. Now you can find the NFL on Netflix. You can find the NFL on Peacock. So these streaming platforms are starting to take over. Artificial intelligence is starting to take over. These microcomputer chips are taking over. AIOZ Network is going to be right there in the middle to get some of reap the rewards, reap some of the benefits of the artificial intelligence boom that we're in the midst of. Years ago, we saw the internet boom. You know, we saw Google, Microsoft, all that stuff. We saw that boom. Now we're getting ready to see the artificial intelligence boom. So every so often, every 10, 15 years, there's another wave. There's another boom with technology. Artificial intelligence is the new sector, is the new form of technology that businesses around the world will continue to use. So we're thinking that AIOZ Network will be right there in the middle, to scoop up the benefits from being a blockchain, being a cryptocurrency. We understand that cryptocurrency will be taken over, or will be becoming more branded, becoming more popular in the world. Mass utilization is in the process. Real world assets, cryptocurrency is going to be used for a lot of things like it's never been used before. In the past, we saw various cryptocurrency coins coming out there, but at that particular time, they were just being developed. Now these coins, not only are they developed, these coins are being used. The utilization is in full effect. Mass adoption is in full effect with Bitcoin. Mass adoption is getting ready to be in full effect with XRP, XDC, XLM. 2025 is going to be something like you guys have never seen. So hopefully you guys got your bags packed. Hopefully your portfolios is set. Hopefully your portfolios is ready. We've been knocking it out the park in plays like AIOZ Network, DGen, XRP. Go back and run the tapes. Look at all the videos that we did. A few days ago, I did a live. I talked about the top 5 meme coins that your boy Stock Holiday is paying close attention to in 2025. So this is just a great time to be in cryptocurrency. This is a great time to be planning for financial freedom. This may be our last chance to hit those levels that we're trying to hit. Who knows what's going to happen the next Bitcoin halving in 2028. We have all these large institutions in play right now. A lot of the new governments across the world will be getting into cryptocurrency. So the landscape for cryptocurrency is getting ready to change. 2025, we need to really take it serious. Get ready to take advantage of the various plays. Don't be so quick to panic sell. I know we went through some dips and folks were saying, oh, I wish I would have took my money out in December. Wish I would have took my money out in March 2024. Well, we are just getting ready to enter the parabolic trend when we start to see these coins go up nonstop for weeks and weeks at a time. So this exciting level. Some folks will be selling early because PTSD is a real thing. They do not want to experience losing $5,000. They don't want to experience losing $40,000. Once they recoup and make that money back, they're going to tap out. They're going to be selling, and rightfully so. Everybody cannot stomach the volatility that comes along with cryptocurrency. So it's important for you as the CEO of your own portfolio. Make sure your exit strategy is in place. Make sure you got a plan and understand what it is that you want to achieve. Once you hit that plan, you hit that goal, you achieve what it is that you laid out, hey, take some money off the top. Be smart. Do not get wrecked. That's why we will be continuing to talk about exit strategies over there in the Patreon, making sure that everybody is communicating and everybody is understanding what we're doing at the Stock Holiday team. And then from there, you can pivot and make adjustments to see what's right for you as the CEO of your own portfolio. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.